Well, welcome back. Illinois just reported its worst week for coronavirus cases in 7 months. The Department of Public Health has reported 24,682 new cases, along with 126 additional deaths since last Friday alone, while our statewide positivity rate is up to 6.1%, and 2,000 people are right now hospitalized with the virus, 468 of them in the ICU.
The CDC now says all Illinois counties are seeing high community transmission, and that everyone over the age of 2 should wear a mask indoors, regardless of vaccination status. And Cook County is following the CDC's lead. Joining us now to discuss this development is Dr. Kiran Joshi from the Cook County Department of Public Health. Thanks so much for joining us, Dr. Joshi.
Thanks so much for having me.
So let's talk about what this means, this mask mandate for people in Cook County. Obviously, it's been extended. If you can explain it a little more in depth.
Sure. So over the last weeks, as I'm sure your viewers are aware, we've been seeing increasing case counts, case rates, test positivity, and most concerningly recently, increases in hospitalizations, increases similar to what we saw in previous surges. As such, we want to make sure that we're using all the tools in our toolbox, and of course, masking is one of them. So we think it's crucial that everyone in suburban Cook County in an indoor public setting wears a mask.
Okay. Now, and you mentioned hospitalizations being the big concern there. Can you give us a take on the number of deaths that we're seeing, the death rate, and how that compares to previous peaks?
Sure. So deaths are typically a lagging indicator. So they're not something that we look at to know what's happening in real time. I can say that given that our hope is that we're peaking about now or very shortly, that we won't see the same increase in deaths that we did previously, primarily because the people that were dying were the people that were most at risk, including seniors and individuals with chronic conditions. And of course, most of those folks are vaccinated at this point.
Can you talk a little bit about children? This is something that's near and dear to my heart and Anthony's as well. Of children who are hospitalized, do they have pre-existing conditions? Is that what you're seeing as a trend?
Right. So, look, the most important thing, I think, is for children to be safe. And that means that they should wear masks when they're out and about in public and in schools. I know there's been some controversy around this, but make no mistake, children can get COVID, they can transmit it, and we want to stop the spread of COVID-19. Children wearing masks wherever they go in public is just one of the ways to do that.
All right.
Now, that said, children do not get as ill typically when they get COVID as compared to adults and seniors and other high-risk populations, but they are still at risk.
All right. Dr. Kiran Joshi with the Cook County Health, thank you for putting things in perspective. As always, we appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.